hari ng katibugan. Ay, katibugan. Oh my God!
Behind every successful sale is a story. Welcome to Sales Talk, your go-to podcast for honest conversations, practical strategies, and real experiences in sales.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to our new segment. So this is called the Sales Talk by UPRGI. Okay, so this is like an ambush podcast for all our sellers and also Dante for receiving the call for 2025. Welcome. This is our pilot episode for Sales Talk for UPRGI. So we are starting this podcast for all the achievers of United Prestige, sa mga magagandang storya sa life, magagandang naging journey in real estate. Okay? So I'll start with you, Dante. Ayan. So I just want to know, pang ilang car mo na ba yung today?
Pangatlo na po.
Pangatlong car. Wow. So what were the two other cars?
Yung first car na nakuha ko dito is Vios din. Yung pangalawa is yung Honda RS.
Wow.
Ito, yung pangatlo yung...
And now it's VS. But how long have you been with United Prestige?
I think since 2019, so almost 6 years. Or
6 years. 7 years. Parang 7 years, right? Wow, sobrang tagal nga ni Dante dito, right? So talagang, this goes to show na talagang pwede kang magtagal sa real estate. Okay, so what do you do differently, Dante, every year para for you to achieve these incentives? Diba, I've mentioned earlier, you got 3 cars, you got 8 travel qualifications, right? 7 years ka pa lang, pero may 8 travel ka na. Diba? So, and you are the defending champion for top seller. So, ano bang ginagawa mo differently every year?
Actually, di ba, lahat naman tayo may 24 hours a day, di ba? So I make sure na yung 12 hours na yun is talagang na-maximize ko. So ang dami ko ng bagay na ginagawa ko dati na hindi naman nakakatulong. Dinidisregard ko na. So mina-maximize ko yung 12 hours ko everyday na, alam mo yun, maging production. Kasi at the end of the day, everyday, lagi tayong hanapan ng benta. So, yun naman yung step by step na dapat everyday make sure natin na lagi tayong productive. Not everyday na may benta tayo, but as everyday na may nakakausap tayo, everyday meron tayong natatapos na task na palit dun sa gusto nating goal.
Tama. So it all boils down to activities. Tama? Oo. Kasi as salespeople, di ba, hindi pwede na huminto ka just because you made a sale. So, as salespeople, pag lalo kang nakakabenta, mas lalo ka dapat gigil. Tama?
Yes.
Right? Okay. So what advice can you give to tenured agents like you and rookies also? Because we also have a lot here.
I think maging teachable lang tayo, then maging humble. Kasi along the way, marami tayong challenge na pagdadaanan eh. Actually, hindi siya madali eh. Talagang yung sales nakaka-pressure. Everyday nandyan yan eh. So, pag hindi tayo maging, then may boss, sometimes pagagalitan tayo ng boss. Not desire na pagagalitan, pero minsan tataas yung bosses nila. So, I think, i-accept lang natin yung reality, the fact na nakakatulong naman siya sa atin. So, we have to observe it. Then, basta maging humble ka lang. Then, gawin mo lang yung best mo. Yung best na talagang alam mo sa sarili mo. Na ginagawa mo yung part mo. Na not best na para sa kanila. Dapat best para sa sarili mo. Kasi at the end of the day, yung result yung hahanapin nila. So, which is yun yung pakita natin, yung resulta.
Thank you, Dandy. Alam mo, natatandaan ko before, there was also a time na we did an interview. Manager din ako nito. And somebody asked you for advice. And this was the same advice you gave na always mong sinabi to stay humble. Right? Natandaan ko ba how many years ago? I was with you 2021 with United Prestige. So, natatandaan ko ngayon yung sinabi mo, na-refresh ako, na narinig ko na to sa'yo, na your advice still up to now will always be humble. Diba? Stay your feet on the ground, even though you're already up there. Right? Okay, thank you, Dandy. Next, Edison. Okay, so just to refresh everyone, si Edison is top in PVAR. Yung mga, kanina as you listen to the awarding, top si Edison ng PVAR, top siya sa South segment, and top 4 overall sa Luzon region. Di ba pinapalakpakan nila sa teammates ito? Oh, palakpakan. Kung merong pambansang kamao, ikaw yung hari ng katimugan. Alam niyo ba yung timog? Timog, hindi. Timog, South. Timog lang, okay. Alright, so also, just for everyone's knowledge, si Edison has, out of the 6 months, 5 months doon, may benta siya. So, isang buwan lang siyang, siguro, may workable na hindi na-close, siguro, but na-close niya on the next month. So, meron siyang 5 out of the 6 months na benta. My question is, are you ready? Kinakabahan ka, sabi mo. How do you stay consistent?
Ano mami, sa akin kasi, ano kasi ng manager ko hindi talaga ako consistent. Kapag buhos ako, as in, binubuhos ka sa month na yun, which is yun yung workout sa akin ng boss ko. Ang ginagawa ko po is, nakikinig lang talaga ako lagi sa manager ko, sinisingin ko sa akin. Tapos kung sino yung may nakakabenta sa team, parang, alam niyo, parang ini-engage ko yung sarili ko doon para at least ganahan ako, nagtatanong ako sa kanya, kinakaibigan ko, kaibigan ko naman lahat, pero dumidikit ako sa work talaga para at least mahawahan ako ng energy.
Tama. Alam mo, totoo yan. Sobrang totoo yan. I'm also with sales. Yeah, okay, sinabi ko na. I'm also with sales. Pero totoo yun na if somebody nakakilala mo or even kati mo kahit hindi mo friend, pero nakita mo nagsusor, nakakabenta, you celebrate their wins also para mahawaan ka ng good karma. Diba?
Yes, yes.
Diba? Tama yun eh. Naniniwala ako sa karma. So, naniniwala ako na pag mabuti ka ding tao sa ibang tao, is babalik din yan sa'yo. Right? And it goes to show for you, diba? Na 5 months, nakikinig ka sa manager mo. Sa 6 months na yun, every month nakikinig ka. Kaya ayan, binabiyayaan ka ni Lord ng good karma. And you're good with everybody. Right? And pakikisama. Right? Pakikisama yan eh. Di ba?
Yes.
Tapos, okay. So, congratulations.
Thank you.
Again. Okay, for John. For you naman. What really transpired to me was your story na you actually relocated to the South. Tagalog lang daw. Fine. Na lumipat ka sa South para makapag-focus sa area of selling. Tama ba yun?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Alright, can you tell us more about it?
Ano lang kasi mami, nung first 2 months of this year, yung January, February, nagta-travel kami every day for like almost 8 hours from Novaliches to Dasma. And then, yun nga, yung expense din kasama nung sa time namin, halos wala na rin. Kaya decide na kami mag-move na lang sa South po, sa Dasma po.
Oh, but you have a family.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ang family mo ay...
Si Ma'am Bal.
Alam ko si Ma'am Val. Pero, like, you have kids?
Yes.
Okay, so you have your kids sa
Yes.
South. Okay, so ang galing kasi you really relocated. Tapos talagang parang you gave your whole effort para lang makabenta. Kaya nag-relocate kayong dalawa ni Val sa South.
Yes.
Sobrang galing, diba? So, what did I learn about kay John is you have to sacrifice.
Yes, of course.
Diba? Tama? O, sige.
Kasi kung ano rin, English kasi namin, kung di kami lilipat, kung di kami mag-out ng aalis dun sa comfort na sa Novaliches, is wala rin kami mangyayari sa amin. Parang magsasayang lang kami ng oras, tapos lagi kami naghahabol, lagi rin pagod. Drain ka na sa trabaho, tapos drain ka pa rin. So, yun.
So you just settled na lumipat. Ang galing mo, kasi alam mo na they're very dedicated couple because some people from meron ba dito yung taga Novaliches? Fairview, Quezon City. Alam niyo yan, di ba? Kung gaano kalayo yung Novaliches. Kasi taga Novaliches ako eh. So, alam ko kung gaano kalayo yung Novaliches papuntang, actually hindi pa ako nakakapunta ng Cavite. Kasi nga, sobrang layo niya. Ang pinakamalayo ko napuntahan ay BGC na. So, para sa isang taong bumabiyahe, araw-araw, from Novaliches to Cavite, ibang klase. At mas ibang klase na mas pinili nila na lumipat kesa mag-resign. Diba? Right? Kasi most people would, pag ganyan na sobrang hirap na, talagang give up na ako. Lipat na lang ako or sabihin ko sa boss ko, pwede bang mag-signature projects na lang ako or mag-prime projects ako para easier, di ba? So, for them, they really relocated their life. Yan. So, congratulations. Sobrang saludo ako na you actually sacrificed the whole family.
Thank you.
Diba? Congrats. And I hope you and Val will achieve more for this year. Ayan. Because of those sacrifices. Congrats. Kung may hari ng Katibugan. Oh my God. Kung may hari ng Katimugan, Timog South. Siya yun. Ay, si Edison yun. Si RC naman is ang hari ng Hulyo. Alam niyo ba yung Hulyo? July. Okay? So we look back on your records. And indeed, you close big accounts every July. So, para lang sa hindi nakakaalam, si RC, nakabenta siya ng malalaking accounts July of 2024, July of 2025, and July of 2026. Okay? So, ang big account ngayon ni RC was WCC. Ang question ko lang sa'yo ay, what's with July?
Siguro kasi birthday ko ng August. Baka gift. Early gift.
Early gift sa'yo ni Lord.
Yes.
Tama naman. Pwede naman. Hindi naman feng shui. Hindi ka naman nagpapa-feng shui. Hindi naman. Okay. So talagang blessed ka lang every... Nagpapa? Nagpapa-uso? Kapre? Okay. So but anyway, kidding aside. So, this last client of yours is a repeat client?
Yes, repeat time.
Repeat client. Okay. So, paano nangyari? When did you sell a property to this existing client and anong property din siya?
Nung last year, Baron Lock siya. And then, lumipat siya ng WCC. And then, si Sir Cohen is curse yung talaga rin. Nag-workout. And then, after nun, tuwing may question siya, answer lang. Talagang naging parang barkada na nga kami. Kaya rin ako kumuha ng BYD dahil sa client ko eh. Kinur niya ako sa bahay niya dyan sa West Green Hills. And sabi niya, okay ito, madami akong BYD. Pinakita niya sa akin mga cars niya. And yung charger niya, and and then after nun, yung na-receive ko yung car incentive ko, BYD na pinili ko. And then, this year, ganun ulit. Usapang car pa rin, BYD, ganyan. And then, tapos biglang parang looking siya ng property ulit sa San Juan. Yung una, tinitingnan niya yung siyang wakwak. And then, after nun, bumalik siya sa akin. Ayun, magkakaingitan daw silang kapatid niya. So, yun. Safe.
Ang galing, okay. So actually, my next question is it about the customer service?
Yeah.
Right? So dyan sa kwento mong yan, mako-conclude ko na it's really about the customer service. Kasi sabi mo nga, naging barkada mo na.
Yes.
Dapat talaga you build a relationship for you to be able to actually resell. Tama?
Yes.
Mag-resell ka na mag-resell. Diba? So, hindi, tayo kasi in sales, no? Sometimes, we tend to forget na they're more beyond being just sellers. Diba? We can actually be with, not intimate relationship, but we can actually build a relationship with our clients. Sometimes kasi inisip natin, benta, 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 benta. And then after which, we forget na, what are we doing? Diba? We are here to do service. Diba? It's not just about closing, it's about doing service to others, and especially to those clients na napaniwala natin na maganda yung produkto natin. Diba? It doesn't end there. It doesn't end na na-close mo siya. It doesn't end there na ni-remind mo siya na magpasa ng requirements. So it goes way beyond that. And na-prove mo yon RC, because naging kaibigan mo pa siya at na-sales talk ka niya, kaya ka nag-BYD. Baliktad. Ikaw ang na-sales talk.
May kapatid niya pa nga siya dun sa BYD, Quezon Up eh. Yung una doon na siya.
Sa Quezon Up?
Yeah.
So yung ka kumuha?
No, hindi.
Akala ko doon ka kumuha eh.
Wala yung color next doon.
Okay. Akala ko tinodo na niya eh. Ay, congratulations, RC. Sobrang congrats. And lastly, not lastly, second to the last, for our Unika Iha here. So, you are our top 2. Okay? You are very remarkable for me, and I believe for everybody. Kasi you are a rookie here in United Prestige. How long have you been with us?
I started in February po. So, March, April, May, June, July, August.
Wow, so 6 months. 6 months, right? Okay, so your outstanding sale, was that from a single client?
Yes po.
Na? Single client din siya. So can you share with us again? I know I already asked you sa isang GA about this sale, but can you share for everybody's sake na pati yung mga bago dito para they can also experience yung happiness na naramdaman mo dun sa client na yun? Share mo lang yung story. Yung story, how you got that sale, who is this client?
Actually po, yung client na yun came from another client. So, it was referred to me from my first client from the previous developer I've been po. So, actually po, that was really unexpected po because umuwi po ako nun from Mindanao. I'm actually from Iligan City. It's 1 hour and 30 minutes away from Cagayan de Oro. So when I landed po dito sa airport sa Terminal 1 or 3, tumawag po si client. And then at that time po kasi wala pa akong tulog. And then of course client po yung tumatawag, so kaya pala nasagutin. So habang I was pulling my luggage po, ayun po, sinagot ko siya. And then sa call lang po yun, lahat nangyari. In just one call. And then, I explained the project po, and thankfully naman po, gumagana po yung brain cells ko that time. The HPR po, and GMR, and also the keyboard po. And yun po, I think 20-30 minutes po, nag-send po si client ng reservation po.
Wow! Sobrang galing. So may powers ka siguro. Talaga swerte ka din. Right? Congrats! Congratulations! So for this one, ano siya? Was he a friend na? Or ano ba siya? A referral of a existing client from your previous developer?
Yung kumuha po ng...
Yes, yung kumuha.
Yes po. Galing po siya sa referral ko sa first client ko po.
So he's a referral.
Yes po.
Okay. Ayan. So we have RC here who is first client niya na naging friend niya, built a relationship, and we have one here na referral. No? So in sales, marami din talaga. It's an existing client or a referral. So what's the moral of the story? You can just always ask for referrals also. Diba? Yung existing client mo, kahit pahapyaw, sabihin mo lang na, can you please refer me kung meron kang mga friends or meron kang co-workers na gusto rin kumuha ng property like you, they can just message me. Diba? Diba ganun pag nag-refer, diba? Yeah. So, it pays din talaga na marunong ka rin sumagot.
Yes po.
Ganun yan eh. You have to be knowledgeable also for you to be able to get a reservation fee for a phone call na ilang minutes? 30?
30 minutes po.
30 minutes, nakabenta ka ng ilang units?
Yung una po is 3. Tapos after 4 days po, nag-reserve po another 2.
O, diba?
And nandun po ako sa, galing po ako sa New Town, Las Marinas po nun. Kasi before ako lumipat sa Dasma po, taga Paranaque po ako. So I was in the bus po, closing that deal. And then wala po kasi ako may airpod at that time. So, nakikinig po yung mga katabi ko kasi punuan pa yung bus. And then nag-explain po ako how much, yung mga million. And then, yun po nag-reserve po sila.
Oh, ang galing. Sobrang galing. Okay, so yan, pinapalakpakan. 5 units for 1 client. Okay. Not only did Jel become top 2 nationwide for this half of the year, but she was able to earn this much points sa add to cart. Ayan. So, ito yung kay Jel. Ito yung mga gusto niyang i-redeem with 60 points. Okay. Tinitignan ko lahat po talaga. Tinitignan ko lahat ng gusto mo. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, kung ako may ganyang karaming points, siguro ibubuhos ko siya saan? Sa Belo na lang. Sa Belo, di ba, Val? Kung ako may 60 points, magkano yung kay Belo? 10,000. Ilang points yun si Belo? 1 point? Oh my God. Magkano ano ko kay Belo? Diba? Ayan. So, yan na yung mga gusto i-redeem ni Jel. Ayan. So, this can be an inspiration to everybody, no? With 60 points, tignan nyo kung gaano karami yung magiging potential na makukuha ninyo sa add to cart. Lalo na ngayon na plus 2 more months. Diba? So, guys, eto na. Pwede kayong mag more than 60 points. Ilaban nyo. So, ask for referrals, build relationships with your clients, and give quality service. Diba? Hindi naman yan magre-refer at hindi yan babalik sa inyo para kumuha ulit kung walang magandang service. Diba? Ayun. Ayun lang. Congratulations, Jel! And last but not the least, our top 1. Ayan, si Gab. Pero Gab, bago ang lahat, smile ka muna. Always ka din si Gab. Sabi ko kay Gab, ano ba yan? Humiti ka nga. So every time nakikita kami, I always tell Gab, Gab, smile ka naman. Smile ka na, top 1 ka na eh. Okay. Congratulations, Gab. Okay, so you are top 1. But last year, for our nationwide awarding, you were overall, top 3. Ayan. So, you were top 3, 2025 nationwide. And now, you are top 1 for the mid-year. No? So, also, Gab, di ba you are not from real estate?
Yes.
Okay. So, enlighten us. Saang industry ka ba?
Pinaka-profession ko talaga is IT. So, I was an IT graduate, no? Pero bago kasi ako mag-Wicom, I'm pursuing a different career. Kumbaga kung saan na lang kumita nung time na yun, bago ako mapunta talaga. Pero I'm from IT.
So you are IT by profession? Okay. So hindi ka naman nag-IT services talaga, yung mga ganon?
Nag-IT rin ako.
Nag-IT ka din. So how did you end up in real estate?
Actually, hinahatak na ako matagal na ni Boss Carlos dito. Pero 2020 pa kasi yun yung first time nila na pumasok dito, hinahatak na niya ako. Pero that time kasi parang iba yung mindsetting ko sa real estate. Parang iniisip ko parang napakahirap bumita. Parang ganun. So, hindi pa ako parang ready that time. So, nung time lang na in-invite niya ako uli, happened by chance kasi may plano na rin ako dapat doon. Tapos, the time na first month ko, tapos nakabenta ako, doon ko parang na-realize na ganun lang pala yun. Kasi siya nag-close nung sale ko, true call lang. Tapos nag-reserve, tapos parang 5 minutes lang yung call. Sabi ko, ganun lang pala yun. So, from there, parang, okay, goods din pala dito.
Ayan. So, being in IT, syempre, di ba, what changed you from IT na naging real estate ka? What I mean is like attitude mo, outlook mo in life, personality mo, may nagbago ba?
Actually, wala naman. Ang ginawa ko lang is inadapt ko lahat ng strength ko from IT to real estate. Which is, as an IT kasi is, kumbaga, detail-oriented ka eh. So, kumbaga, mas malalim, kumbaga, makalkal ka sa details. Paano nag-work yung isang bagay, paano mo siya ito-troubleshoot. Kumbaga, sa sale, ganun din eh. Sa for clients, paano mo i-deliver yung gusto niya, paano mo ito troubleshoot yung problems niya, or paano mo siya ipupush doon sa process. So, ganun lang, inadapt ko lang siya. So, first year ko, parang inaral ko lang entirely kung paano yung nag-work siya. So, makulit ako sa amin, sa GC. Tanong ako ng tanong, paano to? Parang walang nagre-reply. PPM ko sila lahat. Mga manager, yan. Sila Boss Cardo, sila Sir Kian. So, tanong lang ako ng tanong hanggang makagain ako ng knowledge hanggang sa mapuo ko siya.
So medyo technical side, di ba?
Yes, technical.
Nung kakapasok ko lang dito, natatandaan ko, binudburan mo din ako ng tanong. As in, literal, kakapasok ko pa lang. So parang dami-dami na yung tinatanong sa parang oh my God, sobrang dami niyang tanong. So yun, but congratulations, Gab. Diba? So, kay Gab naman, what I'm trying to point out here is not because you are from another industry or you are pursuing another career prior to real estate. Hindi kayo magsusor in this industry, in real estate. Bakit? Kasi dito, tama ba? Puhunan nyo dito laway eh. Di ba? Puhunan nyo laway, puhunan natin dito knowledge on the product. So, pag ma-perfect mo siya, parang sigap. Ginawa niyang parang technical, inaral niya. Kasi, hindi naman talaga siya sa real estate eh. So, inaral niya yung proseso, paano nangyayari na paano siya makapag-close ng mas mabilis. So, ang ending, ayan, top 1 siya. Di ba? So, hindi talaga always. Naniniwala ako na lahat tayo may swerte sa buhay. Okay? Pero hindi laging swerte. Kasi kailangan lagi ka rin gumalaw. Pag hindi mo alam, alamin mo. Pag hindi mo siya kayang intindihin, pag-aralan mo. Diba? So, yun yung ginawa ni Gab. Ayan. Kaya siya naging top 1. Diba? And top 3 last year, nationwide. Okay, sa mga rookies, bakit ko lagi sinasabi yung nationwide? Because we also have UPRGI in Mindanao. Okay, so for the first time last year, we had our nationwide awarding. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang hindi lang nagre-racing yung mga taga Luzon lang. So, kasama ang Mindanao. So, it's such an honor to have these people na nationwide also last year, and now, here they are again sa harap natin as the achievers for the first half of the year. So again, congratulations guys. Again, congratulations to our top 5. Congrats. And congratulations to all those na nakakuha din ng awards for the night. And for those na striving pa din, keep pushing. Diba? Don't give up. Parang sila, hindi give up. And so again, thank you everybody for joining us in our first podcast.